Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
3 ways to manually flush a toilet. Fill a bucket with at least 1 gallon of water. Begin by pouring the water into the bowl, slowly at the beginning while gradually speeding up, and dump the remainder of the water into the bowl. If done correctly, the water should push the waste in the toilet through the pipes, and your toilet will flush.
Let's help you make your mark.
Do not pour boiling water down your sink or toilet. This can melt PVC piping and pipe seals, causing serious damage. In addition, using boiling water to clear a clogged toilet can melt the wax ring around the toilet, or even crack the porcelain bowl, leading to a pricey trip to your favorite hardware store.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your toilet isn't flushing all the way, it's most likely because of one of these problems. The water level in your toilet tank is set too low. Problems with your flapper. A clog in the toilet, flange or drain.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Hot water and dish soap. When the water is extremely hot, but not boiling, pour into the toilet carefully. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes while the dish soap and hot water soften the clog. Once you do so, the toilet will unclog and flush freely.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.